discussing about what now? Resolving the components, resolving the vector, a single vector into two or more components. Yes. So what is resolution or resolving the components? Do you know how to resolve the given single vector into two or more components? ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆನಾ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡೋದಂತ? Just look at the board here, and today's class is very important for your competitive exams. ಅದು JEE ಇರಬಹುದು, ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಮೇನ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ನೀಟ್, ಏಮ್ಸ್, ಜಿಪ್ಮರ್, any competitive exam, today's class is very important and it is very easy and simple. So just pay your attention, look at the board, concentrate, all of you. Ready now? Can we start? Right. See here, this is y-axis, this is x-axis. So already you know that this is a xy plane or a Cartesian xy plane, right? So now let us imagine here it is a vector A. Let us take it as a vector A. Then you know that how to resolve this vector A into two components. One is horizontal and another is vertical. How? This vector A is making an angle theta with respect to x-axis. Then you have to consider this x-axis will be cos theta. With respect to ಯಾವುದು theta create ಆಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? Always you have to consider cos theta and the remaining thing will be sin theta. So here theta is with respect to x-axis, means this will be ax cos theta. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? Then what about the vertical component? This is a horizontal component or x component. Next vertical ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? You have to resolving a single vector into two vectors along y-axis. Let us take it as a ay sin theta, or simply you can take it as a sin theta and a cos theta, and this can be written as ax is equals to, and this can be written as ay is equals to a sin theta, because you are resolving this a component. A component ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಹೇಗೆ? ಎರಡಾಗಿ. One is a cos theta, another is a sin theta. ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ತುಂಬಾ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಇಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಪೇ ಅಟೆನ್ಷನ್, ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಅಪ್ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಿ? ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಟು ಟೂ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್, ಅನದರ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್. ವೈ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್. These all things we have already studied in the previous class. Is it clear? Yes or no? Right. Now just take a problem question. Find the following by referring the figure as shown. Right. First one, you have to tell what is ax component. Second one, let's take this 1 2 3, ay component. Third one, vector ax. Fourth one, vector ay. Fifth one, vector a. Sixth one, magnitude of vector a. Seventh one, you have to calculate a, and then last one have to calculate ax square plus ay square, and ninth one have to calculate tan theta. So these many things you have to calculate or identify or find from this graph only. This graph is the answer or a solution for all these things. Is it clear? All of you ready now? Very simple it is. ಬಹಳ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Let us start from first one. What is that? ax. ಏನು ax ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ? What is ax here? Speak out all of you. Answer me. What do you mean by ax? See here. A cos theta. What is that? It is a vertical component or horizontal component? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರ್ರಿ. Yes, it is a horizontal component. Horizontal or a x component. Please, all of you active. Here it is a vertical or a y component. Right. Now tell me, Ax value is what? We are resolving the single vector into two vectors, two components. So along x-axis, the answer will be a cos theta. Khatam. Next, second one, ay. Ay is what? It's a vertical component. Vertical component is what? A sin theta. So sin theta cos theta ಹೇಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? With respect to theta, theta ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಗೆ? Either it's a y axis or x axis. Depend upon that you have to take a cos theta. Right. Next third one, ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎರಡು? ax ay are nothing but what? Components. Which component? Horizontal or x component, vertical or y component. Next third one, ax vector. So ax vector means along this x axis you are going to calculating this ax vector. So always vector is equals to what? What is the formula? Magnitude into direction. Did you remember? Right. Vector simple ma. Vector a ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? Magnitude into direction. Unit vector. Is it clear? Already you have learned this one about unit vector. Huh? Right. Here ax vector you have to calculate. Then what is the formula here? Magnitude of ax into direction of vector. Vector is equals to magnitude of given vector into direction of vector. So direction of vector is what? Ax cap. Let us see which axis it is. Now please write here ax value is what? Ax a cos theta. A cos theta. ಇದು ಮೋಡ್ ಏನು ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ? ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಅವಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್. ax ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ದೆನ್ ax ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಅ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್, ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ i cap, j cap, k cap with respect to x, y, z, right? So here x along x axis is there. Which direction you are going to take here? I cap. Right. This is what ma? Ax vector. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಬಹಳ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಇಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್, ay ವೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಅಗೇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಗಡ್ಬಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೀರಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ay into its direction, that is ay cap. Cap ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ direction. Right here vector ay is equals to ay value is how much? A sin theta. Right here a sin theta. Ay cap which direction? Right, j cap. This is clear amma? Third and fourth, 1 to 4th it is clear or not? ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? Please try to understand. It is very basic and simple. Next complicated ಬರ್ತಾವೆ, ಇವು ಅರ್ಥ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That's why. Next fifth one, can I explain once or it is clearly understood to all? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. How to write? Clear ಅಲ್ಲ? ಇದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರ್ತಿದಿ? ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಂಟು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಅದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ? ದ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ x ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ i cap. If it is a y, j cap. If it is a z, k cap. Right? Fifth one, vector A. So how to write a vector A? Look at the board, everyone. This is a vector A. So this vector can be resolving into two components. One is vertical, another is horizontal. So write this plus this gives what? Vector, resultant vector. That is ax vector plus ay vector. Clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? Or you can write one more step. Vector A is equals to vector ax ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? a cos theta. a cos theta into i cap plus ay ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ a sin theta into j cap. Right? This is what? Vector A. Clear? Now sixth one, what is that? Magnitude of vector A. So how to calculate a magnitude of vector A? Always you have to consider in unity directions ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ coefficient you have to square it. always you have to square the coefficients of unit vectors. Magnitude ಯಾವುದೇ ಇರಲಿ ಅದು a to z or ax ay az ಏನಾರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲಿ ಅದರ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ what is the formula here? Under square root a square cos square theta. Just I cap and coefficient square ಮಾಡುದು. Next here a square sin square theta. Right? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? Next this can be simplified. Here a square is common amma. Just I am substituting the values. Here magnitude calculation ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ always you have to take a coefficient of I cap, j cap and k cap. Square ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? a square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta. ಎರಡರೊಳಗೂ ಏನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ? a square ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ. Take out. This will be cos square theta plus sin square theta and its value is always 1. Then magnitude of vector A is equals to under root a square into 1. 1 into a square is what? Under root a square, and this square and square root it cancels. So what is the remaining thing? So did you observe? Always we have written wherever magnitude of vector A is there, we have written A. Is it? How the? Here it is a proof. Always magnitude of vector A gives what? A. Right? Chalo. Next. 7th one. How to calculate A? This A value. How to calculate A? This A gives what? Under root magnitude andre ಏನು? Once again look at the board. Here magnitude of vector A is nothing but A. Then how to calculate this A? If A is equals to magnitude of A means you can write or you can apply this formula. What is that? Under root ax square plus ay square. Most important and a famous formula for two components, that is A is equals to under root ax square plus ay square. Is it clear? Artha aita? Next go for 8. 8 is ax square plus ay square. That is equals to what? Here it is there. Reverse. So they are asking A means you have to apply this formula. If they are given this one means what you will get? Simply A. Is it clear? And last one, tan theta. Who will say tan theta? Tan is always y axis divided by x axis. Y component is what? Y component ay ax. Right? First component ಅಂತ ತಕ್ಷಣ a by ax ಬರುತ್ತಾ. Next with respect to ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Is it clear ಅಮ್ಮ? All the things are clear. ಯಾವುದರ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದೆ? No? Copy this one. Fast. Finished? ಅಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಾ? How it is possible? You are taking screenshot? Then I told na in rough paper please write along with me. ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನೀವು ಸುಧಾರಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Still you are writing this part? This is the first part. I am erasing here. I will write the question. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ರಫಲ್ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. Find the velocity vector of a particle moving with 10 meter per second in the direction of vector r, and vector r is equals to 2 I cap minus 3 j cap plus 4 k cap. This is the next question. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲಿ. Saturday I have given 5 problems. Only few students are done. What about remaining students? Very easy problems I have given. Ready now? Can I explain this problem? Everyone, look at the board. So what they are given? They are telling to find the velocity vector. So what you have to calculate here? Velocity vector. V for velocity and a vector for a arrow mark. Is it clear? So you have to calculate a velocity vector. Find the velocity vector of a particle. Particle is moving with how much speed? This is what? Magnitude of a vector. That is 10 meter per second. Is it clear? Then magnitude is there, but direction they are telling with respect to r. Then r cap is equals to v cap. Can we consider? R is nothing but a position vector. So position is changing with respect to time, is what you will get ma? Velocity. So particle is in the direction of what? R means you can replace r cap by v cap. Is it clear? Now what is the formula here? Vector. Velocity vector is equals to magnitude of the vector into direction of the vector. Simple. Vector ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? magnitude into direction. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. a ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ a, z ಇದ್ರೆ z, acceleration, velocity, which function they are given, just note down. So this is the formula. Next, so vector v is equals to, this magnitude is given how much? It is 10. Simply it is a magnitude. The direction they didn't mention. They told direction of r bar means position vector. Along position vector is r cap only. For example, if it is a vector a means its direction will be a cap. Instead of a, if it is a z, then it will be z cap. If it is a ax vector, then its direction will be ax cap. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? ಯಾವ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ along with that direction only you have to calculate. Sometimes they will mention different directions. If they didn't mention, consider same axis. Now vector a is equals to, velocity vector a equals to what? It magnitude of velocity is 10 and instead of v cap we can replace r cap. ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ಲ? Now so how to calculate a unit vector? R cap is nothing but unit vector. What is the formula to find a unit vector? Vector r divided by magnitude of vector r. Vector r divided by magnitude of vector r. Yes, this is the formula. Next, r cap is equals to vector r andre they are given. What is that? 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap divided by magnitude of r. How will you calculate? Magnitude of vector r ಏನು ತಗೋತೀರಾ? Just you are considering the coefficient of I, j, k and square them. Under root square of 2 square plus minus 3. ಇದರೊಳಗಡೆ minus ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ minus 3 separate you have to consider. Always square it is, it will be plus only. Again 4 square. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? Once again magnitude of r ಯಾವ ತರ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? That is formula and here it is with respect to values. I, j cap ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಏನು coefficient numbers ಅವಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Next r cap is equals to 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap divided by under root please tell me 2 square plus 3 square minus minus plus only. Always ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು minus ಇದ್ರೂ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, but you have to mention 9 plus again 4 4s r cap is equals to right here 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap divided by under root 16 plus 9 25 plus 4 29, right? This is what your r cap. So here r cap is equals to what? V cap. Then you can replace here velocity vector v is equals to 10 into r cap ಏನಿದೆ 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap divided by under root 29. This is the final answer. You can write one more step. Velocity vector v is equals to 10 into 2 divided by root of 29 into I cap minus 3 divided by root of 29 j cap plus 4 divided by root of 29 k cap. Again you want to simplify, it's your wish. Otherwise you can write up to this. Is it clear, Emma, how to calculate? Just remember the formula. Vector is nothing but what? Magnitude of vector into direction of vector. ಇದು ನೆನಪಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Note down fast. ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು, ಅಂದಾಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. So still you have studied about addition of vectors by graphical method. ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ, ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ, ಹೌದಾ? Understand and copy. Has finished? All of you finished? Can I explain next? Boys, completed? Okay, fine. Now see here, still what you have studied, Emma? You know how to add a vectors. Two vectors are given, means you are going to add by triangle of vector addition and a parallelogram of vector addition and a polygon law of vector addition. Yes, tail to tail, head to tail and a head to tail methods. So different methods you are going to apply to add a different vectors. They are pointing in the different directions. They are moving in a different directions. ಅವಾಗ ಯಾವ ತರ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? You are going to apply the methods. One is triangle law of vector addition, another is parallelogram law of vector addition and one more is polygon law of vector addition. So by these two you know how to add by placing one vector of tail to another vector of head and both vectors should be moving in the same direction and its resultant will be in the opposite direction. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಮೂಲಕ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ adding or addition of vectors, two or more vectors. Now onwards we are going to study about vectors of addition of vectors analytical method, or you can represent in the form of a Cartesian. So Cartesian form is nothing but a xy plane or a xyz plane, 2D or a 3D. Analytical means you have to write by using a graphs. How we'll see, right? Put aside heading addition of vectors by analytical method or addition of vectors in Cartesian form. Cartesian form. Both are same only. You can say it is by analytical method or by Cartesian method. Let vector A. Vector A can be written as ax I cap plus ay j cap. It is very basic formula, understood na? So vector A can be resolving into two components. One is horizontal, another is vertical, right? Similarly, another vector. Let us take it as a vector B is equals to who will say bxi cap plus by j cap. X ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ I, y ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ j. So they are given two vectors and vector A and vector B are directed as shown in figure. Find resultant vector R in Cartesian form. In Cartesian form, where vector R is equals to vector A plus vector B. Right? So today I will explain what is Cartesian form and how to write it by analytically. Right? This is the question along with the heading. Now stop writing. All of you look at the board. Just I am considering a y-axis along with that x-axis. Is it clear? This is what? Origin O. Now first consider vector A is moving in this direction. Let us take it as a vector A. Another vector is moving in this direction. Let us take it as a vector B. Okay? Now just think about the vector A. Vector A na em ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ resolution. How to resolve a single vector into two vectors, two components. One is along x-axis, another is along y-axis, then along the x-axis. This is the first component. From here to here it will be ax. Very good. From here to here it is ax. Similarly y component, from here to here this will be ay. Another doubt ಇದೆ? Please concentrate all of you. Right. Now this is about the vector A. Vector A ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? Horizontal, vertical. So up to from this point and this point. Now considering this vector, vector B. So vector B can also be resolved into two components. One is along horizontal and another is along vertical. So up to here it is bx. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? And from here to here this will be by graph. Next, so if you combine these two, what you will get, ma? Ax plus bx. Ax plus bx, resultant rx. Resultant rx ಎರಡು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you are finding the a plus b ಅಂದ್ರೆ r ಅಲ್ವಾ? With respect to x axis this will be rx. Similarly here a plus b ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ r and you are adding the y components, that's why it is a ry. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ? Is it clear? Very important amma this one. So now this is vector A and this is vector B. Now resultant will be what? Dotted line in the opposite direction. This is what? Resultant R. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ? This is resultant means from here to here. This whole term. This is ry and rx. This gives what? Resultant R. From yellow color. Resultant vector is what? rx plus ry. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ ಏನಂತ? Two vectors are there. They are in a Cartesian form or xy plane or a Cartesian plane. So first you are resolving the vector A into horizontal and vertical. You are written ax and ay. Consider another vector B. Again same procedure for B vector and vertical and horizontal. So if you are adding x component ax and bx, what you will get? A plus b is nothing but r along x axis. That why it is x rx. Similarly a plus b it is r along y component ry. So addition of these two rx, here resultant vector r is there. This vector is resolving into two vectors. One is rx, another is ry. ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ಲ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ? Resultant ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ dotted yellow color line. This is a resultant. This vector r can be resolving into two components. One is this yellow color rx and another is ry. Is it clear? Now write resultant is equals to, already they are given. What is the hint here? Resultant R is equals to A bar plus B bar. So now all of you look at board. A can be written as how? Vector A. Heng baritiri vector A along with the components and the direction. Ax, I cap, Ay, J cap. Bariboda? Otherwise I will write here only. This one. This is vector A is equals to Ax, I cap plus Ay, J cap. A is resolving into two components, Ax and Ay. Next, another is this pink color. I will write here. That is vector B is equals to Bx, I cap plus By, J cap. ಇವಾಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Now take and substitute here. Vector A ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ this value, vector B ಅಂದ್ರೆ this value. Right here. A can be written as Ax, I cap plus Ay, J cap plus vector B can be written as Bx, I cap, By, J cap. And already you know that. What is that? Vector. Addition of vectors always obeys what? Commutative law and associative law. Commutative law is what? A plus B is equals to B plus A. Associative law is A plus B plus C is equals to A plus B plus C. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? Associative law and commutative law. If you are replacing the things means what you will get? You will get the same result, same thing. A plus B ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ, B plus A ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ. So that's why you can replace the thing here. X components you can consider, or you can collect one side, and the Y component you can consider another thing. Right here Ax and Bx ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Ax plus Bx. What is common? I cap. Next plus here Ay and By is there. What you will write? Ay plus By, J cap. This is our required resultant in the Cartesian form. I cap, J cap along with the directions. X component ಎಲ್ಲ separate ಮಾಡೋದು, Y component ಎಲ್ಲ separate ಮಾಡೋದು. With respect to direction you have to mention. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Very important. Clear? Note down. Can I draw this one once again or it is understood ma? ಈ diagram ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? This is nothing but a Cartesian form. Note down fast. Okay, fine. Let's draw along with me only. Fast ಆಗಿ ತಗೋರಿ, ರಫಲ್ ತಗೋರಿ ಪೆನ್ನಿಂದ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲಿಂದ ತೆಗಿಯೋಣ. I will draw here. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, for those first draw xy plane, then draw a vector, one direction draw, one vector ಏನು ತೆಗಿರಿ, A ತೆಗಿರಿ, another vector ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ vector B ಅಂತ ತೆಗಿರಿ. Next you are resolving vector A. First vector A resolve ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. How? This is vector A resolving into two components from here to here. This is what? Ax. And from this point to this point, this is what? Ay. Right? This is vector A resolving two components. Resolution of vector A. Ax plus Ay. Next, vector B. Just join these two perpendicular lines and where the cuts from here to here. Enidu Ax, from this distance to this distance, it is By. Sorry, it is By. Clear? ಕಾಣಿಸಿದೆ ಪುಟ? ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್. ನಾವು ಡ್ರಾ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಎರಡು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. I am drawing by dotted lines. This is what resultant vector R. Here, so ಒಂದೇ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆ ಯಾವುದು ax ಮತ್ತೆ bx. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಇಟ್ನ a ಪ್ಲಸ್ b ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ r. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು x, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ rx. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಹಿಯರ್ adding of these two a plus b, you will get resultant r with respect to y component or y axis. Done. Imagine iden dotted line idella sky blue color do, this is what resultant vector, this one thick line. ಇವಾಗ ಹೆಂಗೆ a ನ ಎರಡು ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ, ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ rx and r1. r is resolving into two components, rx ry. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? ax ay ಯಾವ ತರ, ಹಾಗೆ rx ry. Clear? And this can be written as vector r is equals to rx plus ry. And here this vector a can be written as ax I cap, sorry, mention here I cap j cap. This one plus ay g cap. Then vector b, bx I cap plus by j cap. ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ದಲ್ಲೇ. ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಎಸ್, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್? ಭಾಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ. It is for 2 components if they are given for 3 components x, y, z. Similarly, for 3 components, find resultant vector r in which form? Cartesian form. Ready da? Let vector a. Now vector a can be resolving into 3 components, that is along x axis, y axis and z axis. That is ax I cap, ay j cap, az k cap. This is vector a. Magnitude into direction. This gives vector. And vector b, that is equals to bx I cap, by j cap, bz k cap. ಇದು ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? 5 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ದು. Now only I am telling, right? So vector a and vector b is given. How to write a resultant vector? Hint. Where resultant r is equals to a plus b. Then resultant r is equals to a plus b. Just write here resultant r is equals to a ಏನಿದೆ, just write here. What is that? ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. Right? Next ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Plus b vector. Vector b ಏನಿದೆ? Just replace here. What is that? bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. Now vector addition, it obeys both commutative law and associative law. So you can replace the things. How? X component alla ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ? separate ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. That is ax plus here x and here bx. Along which direction? I cap plus ay and by. Just write here ay plus by into j cap plus here az and bz k cap. If it is addition, just add here. If it is a subtraction, just do minus. This is the resultant vector in Cartesian form for 3 rectangular components. Just remember the formula, right? ನಾಳೆ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ವೆರಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್. Right? Example, just try here. Vector A is equals to 8 I cap plus 6 j cap plus 4 k cap, and vector B is equals to 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 4 k cap. Find vector A plus vector B and vector A minus vector B. Both you have to calculate. So first A plus B, that is equals to vector A ಏನಿದೆ right here 8 I cap plus 6 j cap plus 4 k cap plus vector B 2 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 4 k cap. Complete the bracket. Now what you have to do next, I ಇದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ add ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. What is the thing here? A plus B 8 plus 2 I cap. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಮ್ಮ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿದೋಯ್ತು. I cap ಏನಿದೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ j cap 6 plus 3. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ A minus B ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, just replace plus by minus, you will get the answer. This is j cap plus 4 ಮತ್ತೆ 4 k cap plus 4 plus 4 k cap. I j k separate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, just add here 8 plus 2 10 I cap plus 9 j cap plus 8 k cap. This is what ma A plus B. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ? Just I will do here that A minus B. Directly can I write here? You do in detail, just I will do direct steps. What is that? 8 minus 2 6 I cap plus 6 minus 3 3 j cap plus 4 minus 4 0 k cap. Right. Final answer 6 I cap plus 3 j cap. This is what. ಇದು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇದೇ ತರ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ರಿಟನ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ as it is, follow all the 3 steps, right?